And Brakti Hawa Brakatha Yahusha Brakti Hawa Brakatha Yahusha Bahasham Rakakwadash. The honors to the apostles, the elders. Salutations to you, sincere brothers, teaching in truth and in sincerity. Lesson will be entitled The Grinders Shall Cease. My source, Natural News. Article entitled PayPal to lay off 2,000 employees as part of a larger effort to reduce spending. Payment firm PayPal Holdings Incorporated is set to cut 7% of its workforce, or about 2,000 employees. While we have made substantial progress in right sizing our cost structure and focus our resources on our core strategic priorities, we have more work to do. The firm CEO Dan Schulman said in a statement. The company's stock has been deeply impacted by the downturn in the volumes of payments through its platform while the world eases out of the fill in the blank. This is why it is now resorting to reduced spending that would include closing down offices across the U.S. and laying off employees. Scullman said these efforts should help the company save at least $1.3 billion this year. The South China Morning Post reported that PayPal shares increased 1.9% to $81.14 on February the 1st at 3:55 p.m. Just like other tech companies, the financial portal hired more employees during the fill in the blank to keep up with the demand for online payments due to public health mandates such as lockdowns. And though there has been an increase in payments via their services this year as compared to last year, that would still mark the lowest level of growth in the firm's history as a public company. Over the past year, we made significant progress in strengthening and reshaping our company to address the challenging macroeconomic environment while continuing to invest to meet our customer needs, Scullman said. We must continue to change as our world, our customers, and our competitive landscape evolves. And that's pretty much it. And of course, this is prophetic. Isaiah 55:11. So shall my word be that go forth out of my mouth. It shall not return unto me void, but it shall accomplish that which I please, and it shall prosper in the thing whereto I sent it. Now, the mouth of Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, is his holy prophets. Case in point. Hosea 12:10. I have also spoken by the prophets, and I have multiplied visions and used similitudes by the ministry of the prophets. Okay? And the prophets have been prophesying regarding the downfall of America. Ecclesiastes chapter 12 and verse 3. In the day when the keepers of the house shall tremble, and the strong men shall bow themselves, and the grinders cease because they are few. Hence, PayPal laying off 2,000 employees, and those that look out of the windows be darkened. So now, these 2,000 employees has to get on the grind and find employment. And the door shall be shut in the streets when the sound of the grinding is low, and he shall rise up at the voice of the bird, meaning what? Him and her setting their alarm clocks early to seek employment. and all the daughters of music shall be brought low. We are in some beautiful times. All right, now remember, our stability doesn't come from a job or multiple streams of income. Thinking it's in 34. Oh, my bad. Isaiah 33 and verse 6. And wisdom and knowledge shall be the stability of your times. Stability means fidelity, going into our belief, which comes from the Holy Scriptures of your times. And that's talking about these times now. And strength of salvation. And this results in what? Our salvation. If we are the elect, by default, you will have the faith until the arrival of Yahushua. The fear of the Lord Yahweh is his treasure. Lord, will you edify? Shalom.